Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Daler Bara Diye Kumro Tarkari, that is mixed veg with pumpkin stem and dal bara. It is typically a traditional Bengali recipe. Let's get started. Take 200 grams of pumpkin, 1 medium-sized rich goat, 1 medium-sized potato, 1 small-sized brinjal. Cut them into medium-sized cubes. Take 250 grams of tender pumpkin stem with leaves. Cut the stems to 3 inches in length and chop the leaves roughly. Take half cup of chana dal and soak for 3 to 4 hours. Then grind the soaked dal along with half inch ginger, 2 green chilies. Let's add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. Now take 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 2 green chili and a pinch of salt to make a fine paste. Take 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a hot flat pan. Add small portion of dal paste one by one and fry until golden brown on both sides. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button below and keep watching more amazing recipes in the future. Transfer the remaining oil to a karai and add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Make the flame medium. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of panchforan and 2 slightly slit green chilies. When a nice aroma comes out, first add potato and fry for a minute. Then add pumpkin and fry for a while. After that, add the brinjal and fry for some time. Add the rich goat and fry for half a minute. And lastly, add the stems of the pumpkin. Fry the vegetable nicely. Then add the chopped pumpkin leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover the karai with a lid. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Now open the cover and stir it nicely. Again cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now open the lid and add previously made paste of mustard and poppy seeds, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 green chilies to the vegetable and mix them thoroughly. Cover it and cook for 2 minutes. Then add the fried baras and cook for 1 minute after covering with a lid. Now give a standing time of 10 minutes and serve with a hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box too. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.